Sound of O. Pot, fox, mop, dog, pod, cot, box, top, log, rod. Ought, pot, a pot. Ought, cot, a cot. Ox, fox, a fox. Ox, box, a box. Og, log, a log. Og, dog, a dog. Op, top, a top. Odd, pod, a pod. Teacher tips. Stress on the short sound of O and ask the children to recognize and read loudly the names of the things. Phonic drill. More words with O sound. Ought, lot, hot, got, not, pot. Og, jog, fog, log, dog, hog. Up, top, cop, pop, hop, mop. Ox, fox, box, box. Odd, rod, cod, god, nod. Ob, rob, job, sob, bob. O, so, low, row, cow. Go, so, no. Cop, log, dog. Let us read. Bob has a top. Bob has a dog. The dog took the top. He put the top in the pot. This is Tom. Tom is a boy. He has a toy. The toy gives him joy.